Hello and welcome to the Lex-Praxis channel. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to register a cooperative society in Lagos State, Nigeria. Now, what is a cooperative society? A cooperative society is simply a body of members or individuals who are bound by either a common goal to achieve a common trade profession, right? That's what a cooperative society in simple terms is all about. We have shared or made videos or recorded videos about cooperative societies in Nigeria. You can look out for them in this channel. And in these videos, we've always emphasized that when it comes to the process and the procedures requirements for registering a cooperative society in Nigeria, although they are similar in structure, the process and the requirements vary from state to state. And so this video will be focusing on what is obtainable in Lagos State. So if you have plans or intentions of setting up a cooperative society in Lagos State, Nigeria, this video is made specifically for you. Now, before I go into the requirements and the procedures for registering a cooperative society in Nigeria, I'll have you know that there are various types of cooperative societies, right? And for the purpose of this video, we are going to be focusing on three types of cooperative societies. The first one is the multi-purpose cooperative. This one has no limits. This kind of cooperative society can carry out various activities. It's not restricted to one specific activity, right? We also have the credit and thrift cooperative society. This type of cooperative society focuses primarily on savings and lending money or providing financial services to its members, right? Then we also have the agric cooperative society. This one is primarily focused on agriculture, right? So provides agricultural benefits to its members or agriculture related benefits to its members. Now let's talk about the requirements for registering a cooperative society in Lagos State. Number one, you are to provide at least two names, proposed names to be reserved, right? That's number one requirement. Secondly, the organization must have a minimum of 20 members and all of them must be at least 18 years or above. Thirdly, there must be members who are signatories to the accounts of the organization, and the trustees are usually must consist of the president, a secretary, and a treasurer. And then fourthly, we also require details of the members, such as personal details, such as their full name, their signature, maybe their residential address, occupation, valid means of identification, and passport photograph where applicable, right? And then, importantly, the organization must also provide a verifiable address in Lagos State, within Lagos State, right? So these are the requirements for registering a cooperative society in Lagos State. Now we are going to be looking at the procedures for registering a cooperative society in Lagos State. The procedure in this segment will just be highlighting the key things or key activities that are usually obtainable when it comes to processing registration of a cooperative society in Lagos State. One of it is that there is usually a name reservation, right? So name reservation takes place. Then a formal application is submitted to the relevant ministry or department or government agency, informing them of the organization's intention to be formed as a cooperative society and inviting representatives from that ministry or department to attend the inaugural meeting, right? Now, the third process is that the inaugural meeting is being held, and of course, the representatives from this MDA are usually present. It is the activities or the information obtained from this inaugural meeting that will be used in the documentation or the registration process, right? Then fourthly, payment has to be made for the application fee and also training of trustees or key executive members of the cooperative society. So a form will be given to provide the information, and then payment will also be made, right? The next thing to take note as it concerns the procedure is that after payment is made, the trustees, that is usually the president, secretary, and treasurer, will be required to undergo a training. It's usually they must attend a one-day training course organized by the agency, government agency, right? So they would attend that. Of course, that is one of the things that is included in the payment or the cost, the application fee, right? And then after the training of the trustees, that is the president, secretary, and treasurer, there is usually an observation of the organization for 1 month, after which a formal certificate of registration is issued to the organization. So that summarizes the procedure or the key activities or key process that you will observe during the registration of your cooperative society in Lagos State. So, in summary, to successfully have your cooperative society registered in Lagos State, you need to ensure that your organization meets the requirements listed in this video for registering your cooperative society. Also, there is always name reservation, and the name of your organization must have the phrase cooperative limited or cooperative society limited. Every name must go with that phrase, cooperative society limited. So whatever name you provide, ensure it has that cooperative society limited. Thirdly, application is made, a formal application is made to the relevant department or government agency, and an inaugural meeting is held in the presence of representatives of this departments or government agencies, right? Payment of fees is also done. Payment of application fee and training fee, right, is also carried out. And then there is supervision and final registration of the cooperative society. Now, how long does it take to register a cooperative society in Lagos State? Considering the requirements and the procedure that has just been explained, it takes a month to 2 months, 1 to 2 months, to have the cooperative society formally registered or to obtain the final registration certificates for your cooperative society in Lagos State. Now, you might be asking, how much is the cost for registering a cooperative society in Lagos State? Now, we'll say that the cost varies from one local government to the other, so it's not fixed. So in such situations, you can, if you need services, our services in this regard, you can always send a private message and we'll get the information we need from you to enable us assess the cost for registering the cooperative society in Nigeria. And so that is all. That's it as it concerns registering a cooperative society in Nigeria. It sounds smooth and I think it's easy to comprehend. So if you have or you need our professional services as it concerns having your cooperative society formally registered in Lagos State, feel free to reach out to us through the contact information that is displayed on the screen, and we'll be delighted to speak with you. Also, if you have questions, you can leave them in the comment section, and we will respond to you when we see them. Or if you would like to speak with any of our representatives, you can also reach out to us through the contact information displayed on the screen, and we'll respond to you. So, also, if you got value from this video, please do well to like this video, share it to someone who you believe will find this useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on the legal aspects of doing business in Nigeria. Until I come your way again, bye for now.